Welcome to Family and the Feast channel. My name is Janet and this is
Chloe again.
Chloe is our taste tester. Remember all the ingredients and measurements, it will be listed down below in the description box.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be making a mango lassi recipe. And here are the ingredients you will need for this recipe. Here I have my mangoes, and I really like to use the fresh mangoes. Some of us may like to use the mango in the can, the pureed mango in the can. Some of you guys may prefer that, but I really don't like the aftertaste the canned mango leaves in my mouth. This is evaporated milk. If you want to use whole milk because this will be too rich for you, you can go ahead and use the whole milk. Replace this with the whole milk. Here I have some yogurt, I have some condensed milk, and I have some sugar. I may not need to use the sugar depending on how sweet the mango is. I may not need to use the sugar, but I just put it here so I don't forget to show you guys that I may need to use it. But I'll let you know in the end of the video, or throughout the video you will definitely see if I use it or not. Now for my mango, I'm just gonna peel and cut. I want to have 2 cups of mango for now, so I'm gonna puree it in my NutriBullet. So we'll start by cutting the mangoes. That is our first step. Now we just want to scrape everything out from the mango into your blender. So I usually get mango lassi from one of my favorite Afghan restaurants in New York, but since we moved to Connecticut, we're not able to get it, so I had to learn how to make my own. And that's when I find out I really like to use the fresh mango better than the one in the can. So now that we have our mango in the blender, we're just gonna try to get this at a puree consistency. Just want to make sure you scrape everything out, and I'm going to pour it out into this measuring cup because I'm looking for a specific amount. So now that we have all our ingredients here, we'll add in a little bit at a time because the blender is not so big enough. I won't be able to add all the ingredients at once. So I'm trying to do it in half. This is my condensed milk. And this is my yogurt. And I'm just gonna carry this up to the line where it's recommended to be. And I didn't add any sugar to this. Like I said, we'll wait until the end to add in sugar. And we just want to blend this. Now we'll just mix the bottom to make sure that everything is combined here. And this is how it's looking. It's really nice and thick. When you add your ice, it will definitely make it a little bit thin. So guys, I tried this and it do need some sugar. So I'm going to add in just a tablespoon. You can add as much as you like or as little as you like. You can actually leave the sugar out and all if you don't want it to be sweet. But I'll add in just a tablespoon here in this set. And I'm just gonna blend this back. And less than a minute, I'll take it off and I'll empty it into my measuring bowl here. And look at how creamy and delicious this is looking. Now we'll place this on the side and we'll start adding the rest of the ingredients that we have. Now we'll add in the remaining of the milk and the remaining yogurt and the condensed milk. And I'm going to add in my 1 tablespoon more of sugar, and we'll start blending the other set here. And this is our last set. And how nice and creamy that is, guys. Here you have it, guys, a tall glass of mango lassi. Now let's decorate with some mint leaf and some mangoes. And now we are ready for Chloe to taste test this.
Time to try it. Yummy. Bye, like and subscribe. See you in our next video. Bye.